Okay, we've got another prospector kind of moving in on us here. And you can hear the interference coming in from the other machine right now. I'm not actually doing anything. So that signal we're hearing, that is from the other metal detector. I'm going to go ahead and turn my machine off and hold down the ferrous cancel button when I turn it back on. So I'm going to hold that little nail down, turn on the machine, and I'm picking up that interference. I'm going to go down one. Yeah, I get a little growl there. A little bit more. Still get a little interference, but we've got rid of like 90% of it there at 4. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine off. And when I turn it on again, you'll see that we're still at that 4 setting. We've eliminated, now we've got a machine just a few feet away. We've got rid of 95% of the interference there. And literally by moving away a couple more feet will be good. So there you go. That's how you get rid of the interference.